Bar Harbor, Maine, is a picturesque coastal town located on Mount Desert Island, and it's one of New England's most beloved vacation destinations. Known for its stunning natural beauty, rich maritime history, and charming downtown. Bar Harbor is a gateway to Acadia National Park, one of the most visited national parks in the U.S. Here we are, returning with Lulu Lobster Boat Tours. We had a captivating 2-hour journey aboard a traditional Downeast-style lobster boat, providing an authentic glimpse into Maine's maritime heritage. The downtown area is walkable and full of boutique shops, art galleries, and restaurants, serving up Maine lobster, fresh seafood, and local blueberry treats. Don't miss the traditional New England lobster bake. Just minutes from downtown, Acadia offers over 120 miles of hiking trails, scenic drives like the Park Loop Road, and iconic spots such as Cadillac Mountain, where you can be among the first in the U.S. to see the sunrise. Outdoor activities like biking on the carriage roads, kayaking, and wildlife viewing are popular. Sail aboard the Margaret Todd, a traditional 4-masted schooner, and enjoy live folk music as you glide past Egg Rock Lighthouse and the rugged coastline of Acadia. This romantic cruise is a favorite for its authentic sailing experience and schooner sunset sail.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, MrBalerdash. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment. I enjoy reading them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.